Welcome to the fascinating world of space. Did you know that being in space can change a person's genes in incredible ways? This is not science fiction, but a scientific fact confirmed through recent studies. Research conducted on twin astronauts, one of whom spent several months in space while the other remained on Earth, showed noticeable genetic changes in the astronaut who was in space. Genes are the biological instructions that dictate how the body functions. And when an astronaut is exposed to the unique environment of space, unexpected genetic changes can occur. These changes can affect many aspects of the body, such as the immune system, bones, muscles, and even tissue function. In the twin study, it was revealed that the astronaut in space experienced changes in gene expression, with some genes becoming more active while others became less active. But the most surprising change was in the length of the telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes. These changes could have long-term effects that we didn't expect. What causes these changes? Scientists believe several factors contribute to these genetic alterations, including exposure to cosmic radiation in space. This type of radiation can cause mutations in the DNA, which is a powerful factor not to be overlooked. Additionally, another key factor is the absence of gravity, which drastically affects the body. Weightlessness affects bones and muscles and alters tissue and organ functions. Beyond the physical effects, we cannot ignore the psychological factors that astronauts experience. Life in space is completely isolated from the outside world, leading to significant mental stress. This isolation can also result in changes in gene expression. Astronauts face social and psychological isolation, which presents a major challenge. Moreover, space does not just affect the genes, it impacts human senses as well. For example, there are effects on vision. In the absence of gravity, the shape of the eye can change over time, affecting vision. In fact, some astronauts experience increased pressure inside their skulls due to fluid buildup in the head, which affects the optic nerve and causes changes in vision. As for space itself, the vacuum environment means that sound cannot travel as it does on Earth. Since there is no air or any other material medium on the moon's surface, sound cannot pass between astronauts. So, even if an astronaut shouts, their colleague will not hear them. However, astronauts use other technologies like radio devices to communicate, where sound signals are sent through radio waves, which do not need a medium to travel through. It's important to understand that these genetic changes may be temporary, or they could last for a longer period after the astronaut returns to Earth. Scientists are continuing to study these changes to understand their long-term effects and how to protect astronauts in the future. These studies are not only for understanding the effects of space on human genes, but also for paving the way for future space exploration, whether it's living on other planets or long journeys to Mars. Looking ahead, this research could be crucial in improving astronauts' health and protecting them from the negative effects of space, especially when it comes to the genetic changes that may occur due to the unique space environment. So being in space has a profound effect on the human body, making us wonder what the future holds. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing facts, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating information.